alley is called Beco the Rede. I might not be pronouncing that properly. We'll give you a little context. There's a lot of new stuff happening since the last time I filmed in this area. I've never filmed this particular Beco, but I'll just give you a little context before we go down. But that's all new. And then we're gonna end up walking down that way. There's other stuff down in here, but I'm also gonna capture this Moorish temple that's up on that way as well. So we're going to go around a little bit, but I want to give a little context. We'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And this little area, this street name is Beco. All right, up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we're gonna be walking in there and just kind of seeing what's in there. And then we're gonna walk up that way a little bit and show you the Moorish temple. And then we'll walk down along this way here. And then we'll end up, there's Amma temple, and this whole area is called Barra. So let's just see what's in Rede. I think it's pronounced Rede, maybe? I'm gonna create a song and it'll say it in Portuguese. You've probably already heard it. So Rede comes out to here. Okay, and then this is well, let's just go right into here. This is another street right here. Actually, I might even do both. I think I will. So this is our little Beco. Very small. It looks like there's a person doing like a massage with the door open, like a legit massage. So there's a business right there as well, down our little Rede. And then down this way, we're gonna go up and try to look at the Moorish temple there. Then we're gonna come down. Doing some construction right there. We'll walk by there as well in a moment. Okay, so we have Rede, and then we also have this Moorish temple right here. So we're gonna take a look at that with the steps. And it looks like it's actually open right now. But actually to go inside, it's not open. But you can actually walk all the way up here, and then there's a thing to go all the way up to a church, Capitania church up at the top. It's the highest point in this area. And then this was a military barracks, so we're gonna come over this way. And then we'll try to capture it like that. But yeah, that's the military barracks called the Moorish barracks. That goes all up to Capitania Church. You can take these steps and then go up more. There's some beautiful lighting. We're gonna go down that way in a minute. Just as an aside, I'm pretty sure I filmed this before. This one is not gonna be the focus for this. But there's a little alley down that way. Okay. So Rede, and we're gonna do the neighboring street that kind of and by the way, this one was manned. I guess I'll use the word manned. It was occupied by people from Goa, India. So they were ones that were watching the ocean back when that was a fort, and they would make sure that it was protected. Let's go across here. Then this was actually relatively new. This wasn't even here a few years ago. Let's go down this way. So we were just up that way. We were in this little area right there, and then we're gonna walk to this Beco right here. I'll just capture that as well. Capitania dos Portos. Got a nice place to sit right there. Kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna walk into this little, I think they call it a Beco, right? And our Rede street was right there with the green railing. And then this street we just followed all the way down. So yeah, actually I was right there, and then that door that was open, I think is a business. And saw somebody with like a legit, it's like a legit office and everything like that. I won't put my camera in it because Beco. Yep, so there's the wall up there. Okay. So we're in this Barra area. So what I'm going to do next is we're going to walk back down and out. There's a Rede. Right through there. And we're going to go all the way down to the Amma Temple. I'm also going to show you this one building. I was able to go in it recently. I don't know if I'll share that story about how and why, but I have a view from it as well. So I'm going to put it at the end. Maybe I'll explain it as well. There's that beautiful chair right there. So we're going to name this one after these two streets. Yeah, this whole thing is a Beco. So we had a Beco de Rede and a Beco de Capitania dos Portos. The ocean is very nearby. And we're going in the street, I think this is called Calçada do Barra, I believe. So we're gonna walk down that. And then I'm gonna show you this one building that I was able to see inside recently. Okay. So we're gonna be walking down this one in a moment. This is what we're near. Mandarin House, Largo Barra, Largo da Barra, Barra Square is this one. So you can see the sign right there, Calçada da Barra. A little courtyard right here. We'll walk down it, we're going to include it, and then it kind of gives you all the context of everything as well. And then this green building, we also got stuff to the sides here. So have some tourism, you can take some pictures of it. Okay. Calçada de Barra. It's all for kind of tourists. So this building right here is called the Riverside, and I was able to go up to the top floor, up to the 5th floor up at the top. So we're gonna walk around it, and then and I'll kind of tell you exactly. I have a little bit of video footage from up top, and as far as I know, this is all new. So they're gonna create a little facade there. Nice. You get a stamp too. Okay, so let's just walk over to this alley, see what this alley is all about as well. Does this alley have a name? It also goes up, it'll stop right there, but... Okay, so Calçada de Barra, Riverside, and I'll put some footage up there. Actually, we'll do it right now. So the footage came from the other side, and we'll put the footage right now. Got a beautiful view from up front of this building right here. This is a new building, overlooking Amma. And the Macau Tower. And type goes in the distance and Yingqing. So if I remembered right, you have some footage of this one, Riverside. And over here is Amma Temple. And then we're gonna go over to the other side of Riverside as well. So our street name will be Beco, and maybe we'll do Riverside briefly as well, because it's a new space. And you can see Riverside right over there. So our target street was up by the Moorish Temple, Rede, and the other little Beco. This is a nice tourist area. And then yeah, the riverside has a really beautiful view. So we'll capture that. Kind of put everything in context. Okay. So that video footage, if I remember to put it in there, it was up there, up on the window, up on the windows up there. So I was able to go up there recently. Thank you for. I don't want to tell the whole story, but a friend of mine is looking to maybe do a business inside, and so he brought me there to see it the other day. Okay, so we're going to end shortly. And we were kind of near this Amma temple, and we were up on the other side of Riverside, up the hill just a little bit. So we're going to end the video right there. So another slice of Macau for you. Hope you like it.